friends. Today we are going to explore a place which is surrounded by huge mountains and dense forests, which is Western Ghats from one side and Arabian Sea from the other. This is Gokarna, which is situated in the Uttar Kannada district of Karnataka state. And we are going to Kudle Beach. We stayed at this beautiful beach resort which opens to this serene beach and have a perfect view of the beach. This beach is surrounded by rocky mountains from three sides and is a very clean beach. You just can't resist going to the water once you reach here. After dropping our bags in the resort, we went straight to the water and enjoyed. Gokarna is 483 kilometers away from Bangalore and it takes around 9 to 10 hours to reach Gokarna. This place is known for its beaches. Kudle Beach in particular is known for its golden sand and clear blue waters, offering a picturesque landscape that attracts beach lovers. The views of the horizon, especially at sunset, are absolutely stunning. You will find multiple restaurants and cafes here with delicious food in both Indian and Western cuisines. Although the beach is mostly quiet, it offers various water sports and activities such as kayaking, parasailing, jet skiing, banana boat ride, bumper rides, etc. And at night, the laid back vibe changes to a happening one with beautiful lights and peaceful environment. You just sit back, relax, and listen to the sound of ocean quietly.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it. Maybe separate is better. I will love you till forever. Ride it, baby, when you need someone to cover you. No weather, no one come back. You know my answer. No one come back. You know my answer. No one come back. You know my answer. No one come back. You know my answer.
After a relaxing day at the beach, next day we started our journey towards Yana Caves. Yana Caves is about 52 kilometers away from Gokarna and takes about 1 to 2 hours to reach via cab, and then you need to trek for 2 kilometers more to reach the exact location. Trust me, guys, this place is worth it. It's a stunning place to be. Just marvelous. Surrounded by lush green forest, the two pillar-like rock formations made of black karst limestones are called Yana Caves. The names of these rock formations are Bhairaveshwar Shikhar and Mohini Shikhar. Inside Bhairaveshwar cave, there is a Shiv temple. It is believed that a Shivling was formed naturally here and water drifts from the roof over the link continuously, adding to the sanctity of the place. Devotees from a far away places come here to worship Lord Shiva. Such an old place with no ancient history? That's impossible. So this place also have a history. In Hindu mythology, a demon named Bhasmasur manages to get a unique gift that anything on which he keeps his palm burns into ashes. With this unique skill, Bhasmasur wreaks havoc and attempts to try his skills on the very person who granted the gift, Lord Shiva. Fearing his life, Lord Shiva seeks help from Lord Vishnu, who takes the shape of a beautiful woman named Mohini and appears in front of Bhasmasur. Trying to win over Mohini, Bhasmasur accepts her challenge to dance with her and perform the same steps as she does. As the dance progresses, Mohini keeps her hand over her head. Bhasmasur performs the same act and burns into ashes. It is believed that Yana caves are built of his ashes and soil. Such a beautiful and short story, right? Next day, we visited Om Beach. It is named so because the shape of the beach resembles Om symbol. Gokarna town is situated a bit above the sea level, so to reach any of the beaches, you actually need to trek a bit. And also, for reaching Om Beach, you need to trek down for about 40-50 steps to reach the beach. This is a rocky beach. The backdrop of coconut trees and the gentle sea breeze adds to the natural charm. You also get boat services here, which takes you to a 40 minutes ride to nearby beaches like Half Moon Beach and Paradise Beach. The rocks of this beach are of a unique shape and is home for a small marine creatures like crabs and sea urchins. You can also spot them moving on the rocks. Along with restaurants and cafes, you will also find many souvenir shops here. You can buy something and keep it as a memory of this place for the rest of your life. Next, we took the road to Paradise Beach. This road is challenging in places with steep sections and narrow paths, so be careful while going. This is relatively a secluded place with no commercial facilities, so bring your own water, snacks, and necessary items if you're coming to visit this place. While going, we saw a very beautiful place and we stopped for a while. We spent some time there enjoying, relaxing, and enjoying the nature's beauty there. You can see the whole Gokarna from top from this place, and it was looking spectacular. Unfortunately, we couldn't visit the beach as you need to trek for about 20-30 minutes from where you park your car to reach that particular location, and we were out of energy at this point, so we did not visit it. But you guys visit this place and share your experiences in the comment section. If you like this video, then like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Have a good day and bye bye.